and Mr. Arvind Kumar will be taking over this session. So I just thought of introducing SP Jain School of Global Management. How many of you are aware of SP Jain School of Global Management, which is a tri-city campus model? Our Indian entity is located in Mumbai, long back started in the 80s. Recently we came up with our brand new campus in Lower Parel in Mumbai, which is under the brand name SP Jain School of Global Management. And now we have come up with the Big Data and Analytics program at SP Jain Mumbai campus, which has two versions. One is the part-time and another is the full-time. Right? The full-time is a 6 months program and the part-time is a 12 months program. Depends. I mean, if you go for a part-time program, it's going to be 2 days in a week, Saturdays and Sundays, and full-time goes by Monday to Friday, right? SP Jain School of Global Management, basically an Australian business school, which confers degree like Master of Global Business, Global MBA to students from different walks of life. We have campuses in Dubai, Sydney, and Singapore. I mean, that's where we started from, and the 4th campus in Mumbai. And today we are here with Mr. Arvind Kumar, who is the program director of Big Data and Analytics. We'll be throwing some light on the course and the certification offered by SP Jain and the scope in this industry. So I'd like to hand over to Mr. Arvind Kumar.
Yeah, thanks, Deepak. So you are already aware of what is big data and who are the users, what are the different phases of big data analytics and its uses in various aspects of day-to-day life. So I will not take much of your time through this. I will be mostly focused on the courses, what is being offered, which enables you to take this challenge on an ongoing basis, continuously throughout your career, throughout your life. And this course, as we have designed based on lot of inputs from all the industry experts, while interacting with them, getting what the real-time challenges they are facing and what they are expecting to face in next 3 to 5 years. Because as you are already aware, because I was just listening to some of the speakers and I saw some of you are asking very serious, very tough, very deep-rooted questions. So I have some sense that you have very, very good idea. So based on that assumption, I can fairly foresee that you are already aware how much quantity or quantum of data is being added on day-to-day basis. Right? And you need to have a very specialized skill in order to handle that data, in order to get some sense out of that data and make it in some useful applications. Right? So just have a quick overview how this big data is changing our world. You might think that when you are working in a mall, you will be amazed that the things which you want to really consume, it is very, very near to your accessibility. How does it happen? When you log on to some eBay portal or some e-retailing portal, you will be amazed how they are able to analyze the things which you really want to consume. All these things are possible or are happening nowadays depending on your behavioral analysis, which is based on some of the past event which you have already gone through, that has been collected, analyzed, interpreted, and it is used in a very meaningful sense to cater you in a better way. This is just one simple example. If you are into some kind of business, maybe in business optimization, initially we used to have some 3-5 variables, used to have some kind of maybe second order, third order equation at most, and then you forecast something, your job is done, and you get good promotion as well. But that the things of past nowadays. Now you need to have very, very complex model. So this course is basically there to enable you in almost each and every aspect of your day-to-day dealing in case of Either you are starting your own venture or you are catering to some industry, some company in whatever capacity related to data scientists. So some of them are like say sport performance, science and research, machine and device performance, like we were talking about in the previous session, Google car and other things. In financial market making and trading, very fascinating area. So do you really think this area fascinates you? And you need to develop some kind of muscle in order to deliver. Do you really think so? If you really think so, so this is the course that is specifically designed for you. One more aspect of this course is we have kept some scope where it is not based on what we have already learned. We have deployed the same model of machine learning in our course as well, that will keep learning from the industry, that how dynamically industry demand is changing, and will keep evolving this course even during this course which is being offered right now. So that's a unique aspect of this course compared to other courses which are being offered in the similar domain. Some of these things we will be offering in the course like Stat, Python, Linux, SAS, Geometry, Excel, SQL, all those things, Hadoop, machine learning, various version of machine learning, data visualization. All those things you are already aware. You can go through this slide will be here, or you can log into the website. There also we provide the detail of what are the topic which we will be covering. So we will be covering almost each and every aspect which enables you to develop that method. Got that? Apart from that, we will also enable you on some of the soft skill. Will assist you in getting some placement, some mock interview, interview preparation, placement assistance, and all those things will be there. A brief overview of our world-class classroom. It's our say simulator. These courses are offered in two variants. One is full-time, another is part-time. Courses are taught by almost a very nice mix of domestic faculties, international faculties, some academicians, some practitioners. So some academic learning, classroom learning, lab learning, as well as on the court learning. When I say on the court means you will be actually dealing with the live projects. Other important highlights related to this course is course concept with the job and current trend in big data, which we have already shared. So it focuses on important concept, problem solving, subject matter application. It comprises theory, practice, hands-on experience, and most importantly, the class mix which we have experienced as of now. It's a very, very unique mix where you will get to learn from your other classmates as well. It has cultural diversity, it has professional diversity, it has educational diversity, geographical diversity. That adds a lot of value. Because big data, it's, as you know, it's a very upcoming, and we don't even know even a single bit of what is lying inside the big data. And those diversity will actually add to understand what's going around and make you understand in order to deliver to the fullest. So, let me ask you some questions. What are your expectations? What do you expect from a course which is delivering something or the other related to big data analytics? To be precise, this particular course. I would be very happy to answer some of your query, or I will be very happy to accommodate if something comes out of this interaction, conversation, and probably, you never know, you will be contributing to the course as well. Yeah, please. Yeah, it is industry oriented, so almost 40-50% interaction will be industry oriented, because this particular course cannot be purely based on classroom learning, and that's what we have incorporated. So thank you. That portion is taken care of. Yeah. 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 Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. So great. That's a very nice question, and you recall we started with the same notion that not only we have incorporated what is going there in the future, but we have also have this space where it accommodates ongoing change on a real-time basis. Yeah, right. Mm. Yeah. Mm. So some new learning will be there. So after course is over, right? Uh, as of now, we have not thought about that, but we were just say, having some interaction internally that we can have some kind of smaller module ongoing basis, which will keep you on a learning curve. But that is not there as of now. See, SPGN, you know, but it's a very reputed. In recent ranking, it is one of the top 10 school now. Right. In slide we showed, huh? Global top 10. In slide we showed you global 19, but not as top 10. So we have continuous learning programs as well. So that portion will be taken care of ongoing level. Yeah. So the ideal. Hmm. One thing we have to really understand here is it's not about Linux, it's not about Hadoop, it's not about R, it's not about Python. It's about having all those things in the context of big data. And that context makes a difference. Not just knowing C or Java or Hadoop or this. Yeah. See, the class mix as of now is we have people around 2 to 5 years of work ex. Okay. An ideally suited candidate would be from some or the other science background, some knowledge of language, and a little bit of industry experience. That's what. Huh. Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. No, this course is a standalone separate course, which that particular course which he has completed, it was focusing on some different aspect of business. Yeah, got that. Here, our main focus is the big data analytics. So these two courses are different. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. So this course he can enter into because it's 6 month duration course only. It's a full-time course is 6 months, part-time course is 1 year. And fees is not very high. We have kept it very, very competitive, 6 lakhs only. Just 6 lakhs fee. So I think SPGN and 6 lakhs, you know, because we really want industry to grow. Because right now there is a lot of talent crunch in this industry. You have a handful of people working in big data. So lot of demand. Yeah. No, as of now we don't have. We might be having in future, but I can't commit as of now. Only Mumbai, right. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. No, no, these two are two different things. Yeah, great.
What's that industry relation? Could you explain a little more? Is it about directly getting some real product problem from Airtel companies and then solve it for those? How close it is to industry?
See, nowadays, if you compare 3-4 years back, industry used to use some different kind of data analytics. But now, like say, coming back to that Airtel, have you observed that the moment you reduce your mobile usage or data usage, he immediately comes and offers you something? Have you seen that? How did it happen? It's now imagine when number of mobile customer in India, it's almost 900 million, which is almost 70-80% of population. Monitoring each and every individual, how difficult it would be. So as of now, telecom companies are one of the biggest user of big data analytics. Yeah.
Whether it is connected, your course has direct linkage to the
Yeah, yeah.
other projects is like
Yeah. We have direct linkages. We have direct linkages with Mu Sigma, we have fractals, sometimes. So all those things are taken care of. So industry interface, industry exposure is huge.
So did you use any analytics to reach the right people?
So this course is all about that.
No, for your
Oh, for my course.
yeah, for your course, because you,
Hmm.
when you talk to these people, when you come here,
Yeah.
audience, you
Yeah.
don't do any research or an audience is like
Hmm.
it's like an unknown people that you are touching on, right from professors levels to
Yeah.
very junior levels.
Uh,
Within your course,
See, the reason is it is a very well thought initiative, well thought decision to come here. The reason is you are the people who are aware about big data, not a person. Even if I go to some engineering school, they may not be even aware of what is big data. Big data is, I don't know, maybe some weird thought might come into their head. But you are the people who are aware of big data, who can go and talk. Say tomorrow if you are going to talk to someone, got that?
no, no,
So it's not just direct student. It's getting this word spread so that industry get enriched.
I understood what you
Yeah,
are
yeah.
saying. It is like putting a big hoarding out
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
So we don't know how many people, how effective is the hoarding, how many people are seeing it. Like in social media, you have certain methods where you can target the right.
Yeah, we definitely have certain method we have not thought as of now, but probably Deepak, you can take this say. So what he's saying, so probably you can think of having some holding some display mechanism where target audience is plenty. No. Then I misheard it. I'm sorry.
If you put a display book, like
Mhm.
you spend the 10 lakh rupees on it,
Mm.
you don't know how many people are seeing it because it cannot be measurable.
Yeah.
It's not measurable.
Yeah.
Why would you spend money? It is measurable only when you get responses that are seen that. Somebody comes to your college, unless you ask him how did you know about it,
Mm.
you will ask him that survey, right? How did you know? Whether to magazine, website, reporting, survey.
So that's precisely how.
Measure the
Hmm.
reporting, right?
Yeah.
So from your, but there are so many methods where you can reach, there are more than 1 million people who knows
Yeah.
about big data engineering. From your college,
No. We have some other channels of creating awareness and getting people as well. But what you are saying that will definitely add, no doubt. Thank you for that. Yeah.
All right.